Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Google Photos are not backing up. And let's get started by open Google Photos application. Firstly, tap at the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you enable backup. You can tap on it and you can also check it by this slider. Okay, so the next step, also check is you have enough of space. On free version you have only 15 gigabytes and you share this space with Google Drive and also Gmail. So check it. You can also click manage storage and delete something. Next is to check your internet connection. Also, I recommend it to switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Open control panel and just disable Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, try to use mobile data and also try to find some Wi-Fi and check. Maybe this one fix your problem. And next is to hide the application and open Play Store or App Store. Then you need to find Google Photos application here. Photos. And check if you have the latest version for this application and update if you haven't. Also, we can clear the cache. We can do this only on Android. On iPhone, to clear the cache, you need to reinstall the application. You need to remove it and then install it again. But on Android, open settings and then we should go to the apps. I have it, as you can see, at the beginning. Right here, you may have it at the bottom. It depends on the phone. Enter to the apps, and if you have Photos, this application, just tap at the Photos line or go to CO, and then you can or scroll down and you need to find Google Photos, or you can use the search at the right top and you can write Photos here. After you found this application, tap at the application line, then go to the storage and cache and click clear cache at the right side. Also, maybe the problem that you have better saver enable. So we can also check it. You need to open settings. And in the settings, you need to find batteries. So let me scroll down. Battery. Tap at the battery line. Then right here we have battery saver. So make sure that you disable this mod. And also, I forget to tell you, you can open the application, then scroll down, click, profile icon at the right top, then scroll down, Photos, Settings, Backup, and right here make sure that you use your correct account for backup. The last one, what you can do is to restart your device. So I use Google Photos at my phone, and I should restart the phone. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!